Good morning, boys and girls. How are you guys doing today? Wonderful. My name is Miss Jackie, and today we're going to be doing a fun math activity. How many of my friends like to count? Me too. So, to play this game, you will need dice and you will need Play-Doh. So, first things first, we're going to start out slow. So we're going to start out with using only one of our dice, okay? So first, we have to roll our dice, okay? This is how we play the game. We are going to roll our dice. So first, we have to shake it up. Can you shake it up? Shake it up. There you go. And then drop your dice. Let's see, how many dots do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you guys see that? I have 5 black dots. So I'm going to take out my Play-Doh. Now I want you guys to match your Play-Doh dots to the dots on your dice. So I want you to take out some Play-Doh and I want you to take a piece and I'd like you to roll it up in your hand. Can you roll it up like a little dot, like a little ball? We want to make little Play-Doh dots that match our dots on our dice. Can you try to do that for me? Let's do it together. So I'm gonna make my little dots to match my dice, right? And my number is 5. So I have to make 5. And I need to count them out loud so I don't make a mistake. So far, I have 1, 2 Play-Doh dots made. So 3, 4, you see how I do that? And 5. So, I just made 5 Play-Doh dots, and I think you guys should check my work. What do you guys think? Do you think that my Play-Doh dots match the dots on my dice? Yes! Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we counted 5 Play-Doh dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I did it the right way. 5 Play-Doh dots, 5 dice dots. Good job, Miss Jackie. You did a good job. Now, I want you guys to try at home, okay?